Hello and good afternoon to Deb and everybody over at Critters Electric Incorporated. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. What I wanted to do is create this customized video for you guys, showing how you can increase your sales and your traffic to your guys' website. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We have your guys' website layout. It's a beautiful build, right? I absolutely love the way this is laid out. The photos are great. You got all of these right here. I like it. You guys don't have a lot of content, though. You have a little bit right here. So you got some reviews as well. That's all great, but we also want to have more content kind of explaining what we do, right? So you guys are electrical installers. You want to have all kinds of keywords that are based off of electrical installation or anything that we can find out there that's going to get us more traffic to our website. And one way we can do that is actually take our URL. We can bring it over to this tool I like to use. It's called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that we use. There is free softwares out there that will get the same results, but we prefer this one. All right, computer there. I wanted to pause the video. So with that being said, we're back at this here, right? We took your guys' URL, we put it into Ahrefs, and it gives us some results. We can figure out what kind of backlinks you guys are using, what keywords you're targeting right now, and what we want to do is we actually want to compare and contrast with your top competition in your area. Figure out what they have for numbers, figure out what they have for backlinks. Same thing for keywords and vice versa, right? We want to figure out what's working for them, and we want to start implementing into our site. We can go into keywords and figure out specifically what keywords we want to have in our content, right? Search volume keywords that are easily reachable and easily rankable. And it doesn't want to load for me again. Go figures. So it shows that you guys have 6 keywords, right? With 100 search volume, 200 search volume, 100, 100, 20, 50, right? So you guys are only targeting these 6 keywords right now. So you guys haven't done any keyword research. And like I said, how we can do that is go in, take your top competition, for instance, right? Custom electrical. These guys are at the top of the pages on Google right now. So they're getting a ton of customers. You guys are actually losing out because you are not doing the same thing that these guys are doing, right? So that's what we want to figure out. What are they doing well and what do we need to work on? So we can go in, we can figure out all the keywords that they're targeting. Custom electrical services, can't apply that, right? Even though it has a 600 search volume, we can't apply it just because it's not your guys' name. Something like electrical services, that gets 6,400 search volume every single month. We could go on and on and on, right? You just want to be able to figure out what that these guys are using, and we want to go after the same ones. Same thing with the backlinks. You guys had 54 backlinks, and we'll figure out what these guys are doing currently for backlinks. I would assume thousands, if not tens of thousands more. Oh, not even. 466 backlinks. They have a lot more keywords, but look at that. You guys were getting 41 traffic. These guys are getting roughly 500 just by adding these backlinks. And same thing as the keywords, we can go into the backlinks. We can figure out what backlinks you guys have, what backlinks they have, and we want to add them, right? We have all kinds of backlinks. We've got citations, which is like this, a yellow pages, anywhere that it shows your business name, phone number, address, email, business address, anything like that. That's a citation, right? We want to figure out what kinds of backlinks that they have currently that's working for them, and we want to start to implement it into your guys' website. Another way that we can find what they are doing correctly online versus what you guys are is we can use the Google My Business portion of it, right? So when we search in Google, first thing that pops up is these. We have 3 little businesses that pop up on this map pack, right? These guys are number 2. They have 423 reviews, probably a bunch of citations, and a lot more photos. One way we can figure out what they have versus what you have is finding you guys on here. What we would do for this is optimize your Google business profile. Match what they have for reviews, match what they have for photos, and go get a bunch of citations for this as well. So you guys have 18 reviews, right? So you want to start boosting that up. With that being said, I think that just about covers all of it. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach back out and ask us. We hope this video, you found it helpful. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach back out to us, guys. Best of luck to you. Have a great day.